Hi, I'm going to show you how to use packages on the Alvis HPC cluster for the course using Python in an HPC environment. So why are Python packages so important? Well, they are pieces of tested Python code. So you don't need to write code yourself. Prefer using Python packages over writing your own code. But one problem you have on HPC clusters are using software modules. Software modules solve the problem when users want to use different versions of a piece of software. So a software module allows you to activate a specific version of the software you want. And in this way you can have your favorite version of software where other users have their own versions of that same software. And this helps to assure reproducible research. So you want to use Python packages because it saves you a lot of time writing and it's debugged and so, and you need to use software modules on an HPC cluster to be able to activate things. And that's exactly the goal of these exercises. Let's take a look at these exercise 1 using Python packages. Let's scroll a bit through it. We need to log in, load a Python module, confirm that a Python package is absent, sure. Then we need to find that software module, then we load the software module, we see that the package is now present. Sure. So we're gonna load a software module which is on HPC clusters only and determine if a package is present or not. Let's walk you through this exercise. It's just one exercise, isn't it? Yeah, just one exercise. So I'm gonna put this thing at the left, there we go. And at the right, I have already been logged into Alvis. So it's a bit big, my font is a bit big, that's why it's harder to read, but it is readable. So I've just logged in to my HPC cluster and you can find this at this link how to do it. Now we need to load the Python module of the version below. So I'm on Alvis, so I need to load this Python module. And I have been doing this in day 1. Instead of remembering this, I'm going to check if the answer is correct. So this is what I need to do on Alvis. It has the same version. It does not have the same version. This is 13.3.0. But now I have Python loaded. This answer is good. Like this works. Next step, confirm that the Python package indicated in the table below is absent. So to do this, I like to use pip list. It's one of the most common ways to do it. It is in the answer, yeah, on Alvis use pip list. We need to look for SciPy. Alright, so pip list, I press enter here. Let's see if SciPy is already in. Well, this is a super short list. It's like the minimum list of Python packages. And SciPy is indeed not there. Let's take a look what's the next step. Find the software module to load the package. Use either the documentation of the HPC Center or use the module system. Well, let's take a look at the Alvis documentation for SciPy. I'm going to Google this, Alvis SciPy, let's add HPC. And let's see if we can hear some Python for HPC. Using packages this course. Let's go here. Let's take a look at this. So we're going to look for SciPy. This is the documentation of Alvis. That's great. I'm going to click on type SciPy. And here we have a link to it. Let's click on this. Here we see something. I'll make it bigger. As it is impractical to have each individual extension module, you can find optimized build for NumPy type as part of the SciPy bundle. In general, you can use module keyword X to search for a particular extension that might be part of a module bundle. Alright, so I need to load this bundle. Sure, I can do that. So let's put this to the left again. And I'm going to do module load. And then this doesn't give a version, so I'm going to do spider first on that SciPy bundle. Let us see which version I'm going to load. I like to load a specific version, that's better for reproducibility. Alright, this version it will be. Let's copy paste this already. I'll press Q. I need all that there is to know. Module load that version. This worked. Great. So this means I've now loaded this SciPy bundle. So I think I should have SciPy now. So I'm going to close this documentation. Let's see it. I've done this. I've just loaded the package. I've loaded the software module. Let's double check the answer. Yeah, so have I actually have you loaded exactly the same version? That's great. See that the package is now present. So if I do pip list and I look for SciPy, we already see that the list is way longer. Here we see SciPy at version 1.13.1. According to this exercise, I'm now done. Yes, it worked perfectly. And that means I've just shown you how to use packages to activate them in an HPC environment using Python. As part of this course, using Python in an HPC environment, and I've shown you this for the Alvis HPC cluster. With this, I wish you a very good day. Bye!